Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Warhammer 40,000 Darktide Error Code 2004. As per our research, this error occurs after completing every mission, disconnecting players and sending them back to the character selection screen. Some users reported that they cannot even get into the game, making it completely unplayable. According to our research, the error has been caused by RTX or any of the game settings, and in some cases the error can also be related to your network or server issues. To deal with the error, we first suggest you disable the RTX in case it is enabled, then check if the error persists. If disabling RTX does not help, try the following adjustments. First, make sure RTX is disabled. Then switch to FSR in the graphics settings. Then set an FPS cap of 60, either in-game or via NVIDIA control panel. Then set ambient occlusion to low or off. In case you are using Windows 11, then go to the launcher settings and set worker thread to 1. Then save the changes and restart the game to see if the issue is resolved. If you still experience the error, try connecting to a different network, such as a mobile hotspot or an alternative Wi-Fi connection. If the game works fine on another network, the problem is likely with your main internet connection. In this case, you should troubleshoot your network or contact your internet service provider. If none of the previous fixes resolve the error, wait for a few hours and try again later. If the error still persists, reach out to Darktide Game Support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.